These are the tools used for this project. Number 2 Phillips, flat, marking pen, I forget what this is called, 13mm, 10mm, ratchet, and clean the bolts.
We want to remove these first. See the slot right here? That keeps us, so we're going to put it back on in the correct alignment. Pop this, pull back, oops, comes right off. There's a notch right there to make sure when we put this back on correctly. The screw on the side of the cowl. Hose. Looks like a mouse was living up here. Before we take this apart, we want to make sure that we get the new one aligned correctly. The mark. I don't think that's really going to work with the new one, but hey. There's the old one, this is the new one. We want to make sure we are at the correct angle. This is a 13mm. I want to loosen this one first. Back, we just keep going right around. Let's put this back in the original position. There we go. Take these 2 screws out. Let's compare the new one to the old one. Remember that black line I put right there? Make sure that this is going to be approximately where the other one was. Okay, I want to tighten up everything before I go back to tighten this up. This clamps the bar to the motor. That black line, you want to make sure that this is approximately in the same location as the original one. I'll finish tightening up that after I get the side bolts on. Give it a trial run. always find myself missing these things, so I bought a bag. Here's what the linkage looks like. And on the side that was flopping around, there's a bolt.